I think you should start with that one.
I have four favorite ones. Of these ones. I like the creaky box thing that makes creaky doors and gates. I like the grass. It's audio tape. When the cat's walking in the grass or when the wolf comes out of the bushes, it's in the white tub all the way at the end. I don't know if you could. Oh, okay, I'll show you. This one. And this one. And I forgot what the other ones were. So those two.
I liked your banana.
Oh yeah, the banana, I like the banana. It's nutritious as well.
How about you? What are your favorite?
My favorite sound effects? I mean, I love things that just constantly surprise me. It always surprised me just to hear, like, a splash in the water, just when at the right moment. It's like another instrument. And when they are just like an additional instrument, like the way the triangle happens. But I have to say that my favorite instrument today, just because it was new, are those little toy bells. Because you play them at just the right moment in such a beautiful way, and they're toys.
Your favorite?
I like the when you put the gloves together to make the
The
stuff
flapping
burn.
wings?
That was cool.
Oh yeah. I think my favorite is the glass jar when the bird's at the window. I always love that when it shows up.
What's your favorite? It's hard to choose, and it's so great.
Where you like put your hand in the water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good one.